So guys, I just thought to show you guys. Yeah, I just thought to share this with you guys since I'm already making it. This is my pot. I'm making this turmeric tea for my husband and I. My husband just got back from the hospital and I want to make him this turmeric tea. I'm going to be using some pineapples, but I've gone in with water. Allow the water to boil for like 5 minutes. Add in your turmeric, add in your cardamom greens. As you can see my cardamom. Okay, this is my cardamom. I added about 10 pieces in here. I'll show you another thing that I'm going to be adding here. Yeah, here I have my uda and I have my cloves. As you can see, I'm going to go in with this. This is very medicinal. I'll show you other items. Okay, yeah, so I'm going in with all of these apples. I have 4 apples here, and I'm also going to be adding this lemon and lime. I'll boil them together and then we'll make our juice. We're going to make pineapple juice out of this also, but I'm going to peel the pineapples and use the pineapple skin. Stay tuned. I just feel like I have to put this on camera just to help somebody out there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. As you can see, I've gone in with my banana. Sorry, I said banana. I've gone in with my lemon and my lime, my onion, green onion. I've gone in with onion and I've gone in with my pineapple peels, as you can see. Look at that. This is a very good tea. Very, very, very medicinal. I'm going to go in with ginger and garlic. I went in with some bitter leaves, guys. Okay, I'm going to blend my pineapples now. So here are my chopped apple, green apple, and some pineapples, and some lemon and lime. I've gone ahead to get my ginger and garlic ready. I'm going to blend everything in, guys. I came there yesterday to I'll blend it. I'm going to add it in here. Yeah. This is the last blend. I'm going to add it in. Yeah, watching ball here, guys, so you'll be hearing noise. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. Our tea is ready, guys. This tea is ready. I'm just going to rinse this spoon. Show you guys. Yeah, guys, this tea is ready. So I'm going to, allow it to cool down very well. Then I'll put it in the, in the cup that we usually go to work with. This is a beautiful tea. Honestly, try this. It's a very good medicine. The only thing I didn't put here is lemongrass, but I added bitter leaf. I hope you're going to try this. You're going to sift this if you like. I like to drink it like this with all of those, little crumbs you can see. But normally I sieve this because of my husband. My husband can't drink it like this. You have to sieve it. So sieve it for your family. They are going to enjoy this. Thank you all for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye. I have a lot of this on my channel. Go and look it up. There's several ways you can make this. Trust me, your family will love it. Guchies, then be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao. Immune boosting tea, very, very healthy. Bye-bye.